Hey everyone, it's Ken and Andrea here from Northern Viking Explorer. We are here on the beautiful Carnival Vista and we want to give you a quick tour of our Cove balcony cabin.
We're staying in room 2276, which is on the second deck.
Let's go ahead and dive right into it and show you what this cabin looks like.
So let's start at the door for our tour. Here at the door you will find the light switch for the cabinet. It does require some kind of card be placed in here. It can be your room key or really any other card. There's also a little peek hole here on the door. So if you get a knock on the door, you can look ahead of time.
And all your emergency instructions are right here on the door as well as how to wear your life jacket, everything like that. It's right on the door.
So let's go ahead and start right in the wardrobe. There's a lot of space in this cabin. Comes with a lot of hangers, a full-size mirror, which is convenient for when you're getting ready to go out.
And it's quite high here as well, so you can have taller dresses and stuff inside there.
Right. And then on the other side here, there's some options. You can hang a couple of short things like that, or you can use the shelf and stack your things. And the final side here has some more shelving, a safe, not super deep for like a laptop, but you can definitely put your wallet and things in there. And then 3 roll-out drawers for you to store your things in. Let's take a look at the desk area. So you have 3 shelves coming down the side. Now, we pre-purchased the bottled water online. It is cheaper to do that ahead of time. It will not be in the cabin if you don't order it though. There is a telephone here. And then underneath here we have a mini fridge. Little garbage can, a small little stool to sit on. And then a hair dryer in here. Now, this will do the trick, but if you're fussy, you might want to bring your own.
We've got 2 USB ports right in there, 2 120 volt American plugs, and then 1 European plug there. It says 230 volts. There's also a little light switch here for around the mirror. And some cups and water. These are not complimentary water, so if you drink those, you're paying $4.25 a piece.
Now they have a nice flat screen TV that's across from the bed. What do you estimate this to be?
Probably about 40 inches on that one.
Okay.
So
now we have the beds put together to make a king, but you can have them separated into 2 twin beds if you like. What's nice here is they have a nightstand on each side of the bed. Has its own lamp with a light. And the nightstand opens up so you can store some things under there. There's one on each side.
now we're not seeing any USB ports or plugs on the side of the bed, so keep that in mind. You're not getting that here on the side of the bed.
There is a light switch here for the main overhead lights. Now this sofa actually turns into a twin bed if needed in this cabin. These cushions actually come off and the room steward will come and make it into a twin bed, but there's just the 2 of us, so that is not needed and we will be using it as a couch. There are 2 beach towels here in your cabin. If they're not in here, you can ask your room steward for them.
And a coffee table, 2-decker coffee table, which is really nice.
Yeah.
Let's check out the washroom here quickly. Did you want to actually point out the heater?
Yes.
So here's the thermostat.
So we have it set to the coolest. I find it's actually very comfortable in here right now.
Yeah.
Set up cool. The light switch for the bathroom is on the outside.
Little snooze and tag, as well as a hook right here as well.
Let's take a look inside. First thing I noticed, 3 hooks, which is handy to hang up your towels or your swimsuit. Come on in. Now this cabin, the Vista, does not have glass doors. It is a shower curtain.
Boo. Uh-oh.
Whoops.
What did you do, Andrea?
Nothing. Okay. I don't know how to fix this. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. We'll be right back.
Well, we got it fixed, but we lost all our soap.
It's on the roof.
It's on the roof. Anyway.
I was going to show you though. There's a clothesline in here so you can hang up your clothes.
Yes.
The shower head is adjustable so it can go up and down depending on your height.
And so there's shower gel. Well, there was shower gel and shampoo and some soap.
And I should note, if you haven't been on a cruise ship before, you'll want to know this adjusts the temperature. It can get very hot, but there is a little knob here that you have to press for safety to turn it to get to really hot. But be careful with that.
Yeah, precaution against scalding and slippery floors.
Soap. All right, so you have your classic
cruise toilet.
Cruise toilet. So we have our towels here. And a nice bonus, there's a nice makeup mirror or shaving mirror that you can use. There's also up at the top, talking about shaving, you can plug your razor in here now. Oh, right there. So it's easy to miss.
3 shelves on that side, a couple of cups.
3 shelves on this side. Hand soap, Kleenex, wastebasket, extra toilet paper and Kleenex.
All right, before we slip, let's go check out the balcony.
Let's do that. So we are still in port, so the view isn't as beautiful as it will be as we get out into the Caribbean Ocean, but let's go check it out.
So the window here, though, kind of a rounded window.
Let me show you though. There is a nice block out curtain that goes all the way. So if you need it dark to sleep, it will be dark in here. Yeah, a nice little ledge actually.
Yes. Little latch here. If you're sailing with kids, it'll lock you out. A big pipe coming through here. 2 chairs. And a little coffee table. And they're loading up all the food for the week out here. So they're not blocking the view at all. We're going to be quite close to the water, and I'll put up some footage of that so you can see how close we are. But yeah, so this is what a cove balcony looks like. It looks like they can close it off this door here, so they can cover your door if the seas get really bad. It's really noisy out here, so let's head back in.
Life vests are stored under the bed. So if you take a peek, you should see this bag under there. It was at the far end, pushed up towards the head of the bed. I also wanted to show you that our large suitcases can also fit under the bed. So when you're done unpacking, you can hide them there. So before, when we stayed in a balcony cabin with a sofa, these drawers underneath the sofa had extra linens in them. But today they are empty, so it's some extra space you just may have.
So hope you enjoyed this quick tour of our cove balcony here on the Carnival Vista. It's a really nice cabin. We're excited to stay here for the week, but just be careful you don't spill the soap. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next time, have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.